bulging drywall is a total nightmare because it not only looks awful but also signals moisture problems or bad installation that can wreck your walls. So, first up, if you spot bulging drywall, check for any leaks or damp spots nearby, like pipes, windows, or roofs. Moisture is usually the sneaky culprit. Next, get a moisture meter or just press your hand on the bulge. If it feels damp or soft, that drywall has to come out. When you remove the damaged drywall sheets, make sure the area behind is dry and mold-free before putting in fresh drywall. Use drywall screws, not nails, to fasten the new sheets because screws hold tighter and prevent future bulges. Also, don't over-tighten the screws. Just enough to keep the drywall flush with the studs is perfect. After installing, use joint compound and tape carefully to avoid cracks that let moisture sneak in later. Paint with a moisture-resistant primer and paint, especially in humid spots like bathrooms or basements. Lastly, keep an eye on humidity levels inside your home, using a dehumidifier or ventilation to stop moisture from creeping back. One of the biggest mistakes people make with bulging drywall is ignoring the source of moisture. Patching up walls without fixing leaks means the problem keeps coming back. Another common slip-up is using nails instead of screws for drywall. Nails tend to pop out over time, creating bulges. A third issue is rushing the drying process after repair. Not letting mud and primer dry fully can trap moisture and cause bubbling. To fix these, always hunt down leaks first. Swap nails for screws during installation, and give your drywall plenty of time to dry before painting or finishing. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know what they are doing with drywall and repairs. Plus, it's awesome for contractors too because it connects them with people who need work done, making it a win-win for everyone fixing up homes.